Hi guys, so today I am talking about story pins on Pinterest. They've just launched this new feature and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I am going to do you a tutorial today and I really hope it's helpful. I'm so excited for this feature. It's a great way to really repurpose everything you've got, especially if you're on Instagram and you're uploading video on Instagram and you can repurpose that to Pinterest. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. If you don't know me, my name is Claire Drake and I am a Pinterest strategist. So I'm helping you to demystify Pinterest for your business and really use it effectively and see amazing results, which I know you can. So yeah, let's get started. Right, so I'm now on Pinterest and this is my account and you'll see at the top, if you have it, story pins have, like I said, they have just been released. So this will appear as soon as you have created your first story pin. So what's happened is I have created one. So a few days ago, I created my first story pin and this is a great way to use your IGTV episodes. So if you want to repurpose them, something that I talk about a lot, repurposing everything you possibly can, get it onto Pinterest. So this is what I've done for mine. So this is one of my very first IGTV episodes. Because they're story pins, they want you to add vertical pins as you would Instagram. And so I have added that and I have added my video. I've added captions onto this one. I've recently been informed that 80% of people watch videos without sound, and so I didn't really have captions on my video, so I've started to do that. So it's really important to do that, which is just crazy, isn't it? Like 80% don't listen to the actual sound. Right, so I am doing that. So that is what I've done for my very first story pin. Now, how to do this is you click on the plus icon and then you'll see some options. So create pin, create story pin, and create ad. I definitely recommend ads as well. I'll do that in a different video, but they are super cheap, especially compared to Facebook. So right, yeah, so this is what you'll see. So you start a story pin. You can have up to 20 images in one story pin, which is amazing. So for mine, you just saw that I have two. I had my cover photo. So if you do that on IGTV as well, which I definitely recommend, you have your cover photo and then you have your video that you upload. And that's exactly what I did with this. So I added my image and then I added my my video. And that is how you do it. It's really simple. Once you have uploaded them, you are asked to write a description, and which is what is here. So they ask for a title and then a description. So do this in the same way you would any other pin. Research what's important. I know a few keywords that I really wanted to include in this, but I really want to make it conversational as well, which is really important when you're writing your descriptions. A couple of sentences of why you want people to click through, and then you can add a link to where you want them to go. Now, this is something that I'm going to show you, and you would think because it's on my IGTV episode that I'm directing people to my IGTV channel, but I'm not. So what happens when I create my IGTV episodes, I actually embed them onto my website. So this link is going to one of my blog posts. This specific blog post, so what happens is when I create the IGTV episode, I create a blog post, I create an image, which can be shared on Pinterest, obviously. Then I embed the episode. So the episode that you've just seen on Pinterest is the exact same one on IGTV, but with captions. So if people want to click that, then they're going to go to my IGTV channel where they can actually watch it, and they can obviously save, they can actually share. No, they can actually subscribe to my channel. I'll get my words out in a moment. And so that's why I have that on there, because I'm directing people to my website. I don't want people to go to my IGTV channel because I want people to sign up for my free masterclass. That is what I am using Pinterest for. If you're using Pinterest at all, I would definitely recommend The reason you should be is to grow your email list. So really think strategically about where your links go, especially with your story pins. Now, like I've said, I have used 2 of these. So I have uploaded my image and then my video, but you can have 20. So you can add, so if you are, say, a food blogger, you could have a series for, say, summer recipes, and then you could add all of your pins, all your graphics for your different recipes or your summer recipes, so you can really kind of bring everything together and teach someone or show them something that you really want to highlight. And it's just a great way to really connect with your audience. Like I've said, if you can, get people to go to your website so they can learn more about you. And it's just a great feature that Pinterest have started to use. I hope they keep it. They do kind of test things out, see if they work, and then take things away. I really hope they keep this. There was a thing called communities on Pinterest a while ago, and they have removed that now. I think because it just wasn't used enough, or wasn't used in the right way. So I really hope that this stays, and I really hope that you test things out. Hopefully you have it. I know I have early access, but I hope you do too. If you have any questions, I'm going to go live on Instagram on Thursday at 10 a.m. British Summer Time. So if you have any questions about this, then do let me know. And I hope that was really helpful. Have a great day. Bye.